Okay, so to begin, add a cut to the video that you want to make the second part slower. C to bring up the razor tool. Click the video and click C. Click the cut. V to deselect. And then go under to effect controls, making sure that the video that you want to slow down or make slower is selected or highlighted. Under effects control, click motion just to make sure that it is positioned. And then right click and click speed and duration. Now it's 100% and we can change it to 50. And we can click to maintain the audio pitch, which will basically make the audio track sound the same. So instead of sounding like this, click maintain audio pitch, and it's 50%. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it does not sound like. Now if you don't want the audio, you can right click and then find where it says unlink and see how it unlinks, and then click and delete. And this is what we have so far. But if you want the audio track, you can also unlink the first click, and then the audio track you can drag to the right, and this is what we have. If you want to make the clip slower, you can highlight it. I'm clicking the left, and I click on the clip so it selects. Right click, speed and duration, let's say 25%. And a bonus tip is under here, time interpretation, click optical flow and OK. And this is what we have. And then to make the clip normal again, you can click cut, V on your keyboard. I have the shortcut to R to click the speed and duration, and then 100%. And if you do want the shortcut, here's another bonus. Go to File, go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then type in speed. And then under speed and duration, click right here and type in whatever you want as the shortcut, and then click OK.